In this video, we are going to look at how the source code that runs on the Arduino computer drives the focus stacking system. To download a copy of the source code, please visit the URL shown on the screen. The sections of the program that need to be modified to alter the behavior of the system are the variables at the top and the numbers in the delay command of the trigger function at the bottom of the program. The variable shots controls the number of photographs that will be taken, while the number in the delay command of the trigger function controls the delay between shots. This delay is important in those situations where settling time will be useful between the movement of the focus block and the taking of the photographs. The last parameter that we will need to change sets the distance variable. The number before the multiplication sign refers to the number of microns moved by the focus block between shots. This is very important for making sure that the focused areas between adjacent slices overlap. If you would like to know more about this, please watch the video measuring the depth of field in the focus stacking system. We can now start to play around with the system to change the length of the focus block movement and the delay between the focus block moving and the camera firing. Here's what happens if we have a 300 micron movement of the focus block and a 1000 microsecond delay. The next option shows what happens with a 300 micron movement and a 3000 micron delay. The last video shows what happens with a 10 micron movement and a 500 microsecond delay. Using this program, it's not possible to have the focus block moving continuously while the camera is firing. We would have to rewrite the program in order to do that. At this point in the video, we are now going on to show how to set up the Arduino IDE so that users who are making a copy of the system can learn how to run the software for themselves. The first thing that we need to do is to install the Arduino IDE on the computer that is driving the Arduino, and I will assume that you have done that. Here is the user interface with our code already loaded and saved. Next, we check the menus to see that the Arduino has been detected. We select it if it hasn't. Then we open the serial monitor. This is the serial monitor, open and ready to go. The drop-down menu at the bottom should be set to 9600 as we specified in the code. The serial monitor is displaying the command press enter to start. This means that we have to click in the white bar at the top with the mouse and press enter in order to start the focus stacking system. Before we press enter, it's a good idea to check that the camera is in the right mode to be triggered by an infrared remote control. When we press enter, the first thing that happens is that the camera shutter will fire, and then the focus block will move. We can now start to play around with the system to change the length of the focus block movement and the delay between the focus block moving and the camera firing. If you would like more information, please visit www.chlorophilosophy.uk.